Hello everyone, and welcome to today's presentation of a product that we call Spreadsheet Server. Spreadsheet Server is an add-in to Excel. If you look at the top of the screen, this Excel workbook has an additional add-in labeled Spreadsheet Server sitting right alongside all of the other Excel add-ins that you know and use every day. Today's presentation is going to be involving McLeod trucking software information. This product, because it can connect directly to the data source, can create live refreshable reports, as you can see here on the screen. These reports create a unique formula that is connected to parameters that filter against the information live and refreshable, as I've mentioned. So as journal entries are being posted, as batches of data are being posted, all the user has to do is simply refresh the template. Now, parameters are also built into the reports. So an example of a parameter in this particular template is the month. As I modify that parameter, you will notice that the data will refresh automatically inside of the Excel spreadsheet, therefore pulling in the new information. Behind the Spreadsheet Server formula, there is a drill down option. The drill down option allows you to dive deeper into the data by simply selecting that function. A drill down panel is created, and there ultimately additional data is available. As users are analyzing the data, they also have the option to drill further. By right-clicking on any line, additional drill down options are available. Now, we are focused on McLeod software for today's discussion, but ultimately, Spreadsheet Server can connect to over 140 different ERPs. This is just a sample listing of those other data sources. Now, McLeod is certainly one of those connections. Alphabetically, I will select it, and I'll be able to drill into additional levels of detail called the journal level data. Out-of-the-box functions, live refreshable data, and now this is just Excel. So it's just a matter of what reports do you need to see and what reports do you need to create. The reports are built with an easy build a template feature located on the ribbon. A user will walk through, answer questions, define the company, the terminals, divisions, mains that you have inside of your system as examples, insert those into the Excel spreadsheet, and then ultimately apply any Excel features that they deem necessary. From charts and graphs and borders and colors to pivot tables and VLOOKUPs, the user interface and the user interaction can be different for each Excel user. Once reports are built, they ultimately can be distributed out to whoever needs them under the Distribution Manager feature built on the right-hand side of this ribbon. So all of these different report templates that we're going to click through, these are just examples of reports that have been built that can be provided to you as part of this product. We are not limited on the presentation. We are not limited on the amount of data that we can pull. The only thing that's going to stop you from building this type of information or this type of functionality is just your imagination. Whether it's mileage reports, whether it's freight income, whether you want to break down your expenses into the different categories, such as quarterly, as is built this report, whether it's by terminal or division, where you can see in the upper right-hand corner, we have division and terminal selections. Combining and creating these reports on a budget versus actual functionality is absolutely the bread and butter of Spreadsheet Server. If you have an interest in this product, by all means, please let us know. Please reach out to us. But ultimately, this functionality now is available to you under this product provided by Insight Software.